Every building created is designed with a vision in mind. hsbCAD's goal is to make your vision flow smoothly from design to the factory and finally to the construction site, saving time and money. hsbCAD's solution, hsbMake, does easy work of running and monitoring your production lines, making your vision a reality. From planning to reporting to quality control, hsbMake empowers you to achieve more. The essence of hsbMake is simple. It provides the right information in the right place at the right time, with the right sequence and format, leaving no room for human error. With the ability to control your entire factory floor and automate your production, you can improve efficiency. No matter what your factory layout is, hsbCAD will provide a tailor-made solution that meets your needs. Just imagine what hsbMake can do for you. Set up a meeting today.